tangents. Okay, so the angle between a tangent to a circle and a chord drawn from the point of contact is equal to an angle in the alternate segment. All right. Now, the shortcut way of writing this theorem is just to write Tan Chord Theorem. Right? The shortcut way, Tan Chord Theorem. Just need a quick second. Just need to calibrate my phone. You can copy down. I'll give you a few minutes. Can you please be part of the lesson? And please make sure your grade 11 math workbook, you keep it somewhere safe. Okay? Because it's very important. Everything that we are doing this year will come back next year. Everything. So it must be a treasure. Make sure you write your math notebook is neat. Everything is there, is in order. So that next year you just, when you forgot something or you want to refresh yourself, you just go back to it, you just refresh. Okay, whilst you are copying, let's just mark the register. Yes. I'm concerned about these people who are not here. But next term, we'll be testing you on this. And then some of you will behave like you were not taught. For those who are absent, they've decided to extend their long weekend. So there are 8 people who are not here. That's like 25% of the class. Okay, allow me to carry on. You can catch up. For some of you, I'm becoming a little bit slow. Please, you need to be a very fast writer. Okay. All right. So we have to talk about both cases because we don't know which one comes in the exam, either the acute one or the obtuse one. But most of the time, it's the acute case. Okay, but you never know. You might also get the obtuse case as well. Or if they don't specify, then you can decide whether you want to prove based on the obtuse case or the acute one. So going forward, whilst you're copying this, please, whenever you see a question with a circle and there's a tangent, the first theorem which must come into your head is the Tan Chord Theorem. Okay. Yesterday I sent you uh, um, a worksheet. I hope you saw it, right? On geometry. There are some notes there, some exercises, past examination questions, and the memos as well. Furthermore, there is a document which I sent you, I think, with the link to the resources. I hope you downloaded the stuff that was on that link. Right? There is a booklet with past examination questions from different provinces, which you can also use. Nice questions. And the memos are also there. So you're more than well resourced, more than what I used to be when I was going to school. Yes, you've got more resources. Right, all of you need to put away your phones, please. You're not allowed to pass around the phone unless the teacher gives you permission. And they only give you permission to open the PDFs. That's all. All right, I need to talk about this before time ends. Okay, so with the obtuse case, the concept is to the. Okay, just copy down that quickly so that we can move on. I need to do some examples on application of Tan Chord Theorem before the lesson ends. Okay, though we have got a long weekend, I'm going to allow you to relax a little bit, but I'll send you a question on Monday. Yes. Then I can send it today, then before I go home. Because next term, your first assessment is going to be, we will test you on geometry, because we would have covered everything now. Yes? Sorry? The examination? Yeah, they'll start on the 1st of June. 1st of June. Yeah. Okay, please be aware that our school, okay, because our pass rate is generally is very high, okay, we are not entitled to write department papers, okay. Schools that get below 75% pass rate in a subject are the ones that are required to write a department paper. This school, we generally get over 75%. Like for example, maths, last year our pass rate was 85%, right? So we don't need to write the department papers. So our planning in the school is not in line with the department, right? If we were an underperforming school, then it was going to be a requirement to write department papers, right? So we don't need. Don't forget that the top learner in the province last year was from this school. The whole of K, you know that KZN is huge. Do you know that it's like a country on its own? Yes, there are some countries that are even smaller than KZN. Yes. Sorry? No, no. Okay, IEB schools, they are part of the independent examination board. They write their own separate examination, but it is kept compliant. But they set their own what papers, because it's mainly for private schools, right? Huh? IEB is an examination board, but it's an independent. It's not like the government one, right? Sorry? The what? Well, they are a little bit challenging. Okay, they're a little bit more challenging. But be also aware that not all private schools write IED exams. Not all. It's just a tiny fraction who write IEB exams. Okay. Plus, it also requires some money. Okay, it's a little bit more expensive. Okay. Huh? All right. So sometimes, if you want quality education, you have to pay money. That's what it is all about. But it makes sense here anyway. Because if you become successful academic wise, you also get more money. All right. let's move on to examples. Okay, examples. Before I go to examples, I need to talk about this. How to prove that a line is a tangent to a circle. How to prove that a line is a tangent to a circle. How to prove that a line, this is very important. Okay? How to prove that a line is a tangent to a circle. Okay, can you allow me just to do? Right, can you catch up later, please, with me? I just want to do this one example. Right, you can read this, how to solve geometric problems. This is just a summary of everything. Okay, you can read this. Then, I just want to do at least one example on application. All right, can I have your attention? I got this from exercise 5 from Platinum Net. Right, so let me start with number 1. Number 1, I need to determine the sizes of those angles. Okay, so let me start with finding what x is. Okay, so x is that angle there. That's x. X is an